So hello everyone. So in this video we will be looking into bubble sort. Okay, so how do we do bubble sort? So bubble sort is actually a sorting algorithm where, let's say, you have some values, let's say 5, 2, 0, 9, 8, for example. Okay, so what it will happen is it will check every consecutive two values. Okay, so 5 and 2, so is 5 greater than 2? Yes, so it will swap. Okay, then 0, 9, 8. Now again coming over here, so 0 and 5, so again it will swap. Okay, so 2, 0, 5, 9, 8. Okay, then again 9 and 5, so it's not required. Now coming over here, it will swap this. Okay, so this will be as it is 9, 8, and then it will swap 2, 0, 5, 8, 9. Okay, so this was one round. Okay, similarly what will happen is it will do like 5, 2, 0, 9, 8 is there. So next round, so 8, 9 is there. This one 205. So 20589 is there. So again it will check. So 2 and 0, yes, so it will be like this. So every 2 will get swapped. Okay, so then it will be 2 and 5, so it's fine. So 0, 2, 5, 8, 9. Now it will come 5 and 8, so even that's fine. So 8 and 9, even that's fine. Okay, so it's already sorted. So something like this, it will take every two values and it will swap if it's greater. Okay, so let's begin. Hash include iostream using namespace std int main. So here we will take our array, so we'll give cout, enter 6 values in an array to be sorted. Now for int I equals 0, I less than 6, and I plus plus. Okay, so we will take the input from the user, so a of I. Okay, so 6 values, and now what we will do, we will sort it. So for I equals 0, I less than 6, and I plus plus. Now for int j equals 0, now here is one thing, j less than 6 minus I minus 1 and j plus plus. Okay, so because if you notice the last one ends up, right? So last time we checked till here. Okay, we went 1, 4, 5, 2, 8. So at the end 5, 8 got fixed, because it then in the next iteration we will go till 1, 4, 2, 5. Okay, something like that. Okay, so that's why what we are doing is initially I is 0, so it will go to from, so initially I is, let's see, so initially I is 0. So if I is 0, what will happen? It will go till j will be going till 6. Okay, if when I is 1, okay, so it will go till 5 actually. Okay, because we will do j minus 1, so there is a reason for minus 1 also. What it is, when we will be checking over here j with j plus 1. Okay, so if we give less than 6, then what will happen, there is no 7th value. How will it check? Okay, so for that reason it has to go till 5. Okay, so now when I is 1, okay, when I is 1, what will happen? Okay, So this is just for explanation. Okay, so when I is 1, what is happening? J is less than 4. Okay, because I is 1, so 6 minus 1 is 5 and minus 1 is 4. Okay, in the next iteration it will be I equals 2. Okay, so what will be J? J less than 3. Why? 6 minus 2 minus 1, which is 3. Okay, something like that. When I equals 3, again what will happen? J will be 2. Okay, 6 minus 3, which is 3, and then minus 1, which is 2. So something like this. Okay, and as I have told you why it is minus 1, you might be wondering, okay fine, that we are doing this because this end, this last value is getting fixed at the end. If you notice, we swap this, okay, and then 8 got the highest value ends up at the right. Okay, so we will go till this. Okay, now why is it that we are giving minus 1? Because when we are writing our condition, which you will in just a minute you will see, if we are giving it like this, if a of j greater than a of j plus 1. Okay, so what we are doing, we are comparing a of j with a of j plus 1. Now if we give, let's say if we don't give this minus 1, it will check for the sixth value. Okay, so j, so what will happen is it will come, we will get array index out of bound exception if we don't do this. Okay, so that's why we are giving this. Okay, so coming over here, we are removing this. Okay, so we are removing this. So what is our condition? If a of j greater than a of j plus 1, then we will swap it. So int temp equals a of j equals a of j plus 1, a of j plus 1 equals temp. Okay, so it's just like a 2 cup of coffee. If you need to swap 2 cup of coffee, you need an empty cup. So this temp is kind of an empty cup. Okay, so you will first store this value inside temp, then this is turning empty, and then you are taking this inside this position. Okay, and something like that. Okay, you can use that as an idea, like a free coffee mug is required in order to swap to filled coffee mug. Okay, so now this array is sorted. Okay, so now let's print it. So cout sorted array. So we'll go through the loop 1 till 6 I plus plus, and we will give cout a of I, and then we will give a space, and that's it. Okay, so this is int, so the return type is int for this int main, that's why giving return 0, and that's it. Okay, so let's run and see. A was not declared. Okay, so our array was not declared, so let's do it. Int a of 6. Okay, now let's run it. So enter 6 values in an array to be sorted. So let's give 30, 22, 40, 12, and let's say 1, and let's say 99. Okay, so sorted array is 1, 2, 22, 30 and 40. Okay, so it's sorted in ascending order. Okay, which is correct. So this program is working. Now let's see how is it working. Okay, so to do that, you can, what you can do, you can print it over here. Cout a of j, give a space or maybe something like this, and then a of j plus 1. So, and then you can give also end line. Okay, so this print once before the swap and also print once after the swap. Okay, so that you can visualize and see what's happening with the array. Okay, so what is the issue? Invalid type cout. Okay, I missed one this. Okay, so coming over here, let's say 32, 23, 80, 10, 18, and let's say 1. So now if you notice, you will get to see the thing what is happening. So initially it is checking 32 with 23, so first two, so 32 and 23, so 23 is smaller than 32, so this got swapped. If you see the second line, this got swapped. Okay, now 80. Okay, so 80 and 20, actually 32, 80 and 32, because 23 was swapped, so 80 and 32, so yes, 80 and 32, so 32 got swapped with 80, and now there is 80 has come over here. Okay, so now 80 and 10, so every 2, if you notice, every 2 is getting over here. Okay, so like that you can visualize what is happening with this. Where did it go? Let's open once again the terminal. Let's say 10, 20 and 12, 60 and 99 and maybe 14. Okay, so if you notice, the array is sorted, and here you can visualize what is happening. Okay, so first is 10, 20, so 10 and 20, so it is as it is because no swapping is required. Then is 20 and 12, so 20 and 12, so yes, so swapped. Okay, now 20 and 12, so 12 got swapped with 20. Now 20 and 60. Okay, so 20 and 60, so it got it's fine, so it will not get swapped. Now 60 and 99, so yes, so it's not getting swapped. So 99 and 14, so no, so it will get swapped, and then again the loop continues. Okay, so if you notice, since 99 is at the end, so from after this you won't find 99 in this visualization. Okay, so because the we are doing till I this j less than 6 minus I minus 1. Okay, so the end is now highest. Okay, so 99 is there fixed in, so it will go till the earlier one. Okay, so the earlier one, which is 14. Okay, so it will go till there. So if you see 10, 12, yes, oh it's fine. 12, 20, yes, it's fine. 20, 60, it's fine. 60, 14, so it will get swapped, and that's it from here. So see, notice 99 is not there. Okay, so you can visualize it in this way, and also you can print the sorted array over here. So hope you liked this video. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.